Ever wondered how to share your Outlook calendar with a colleague? You're not alone. Many office workers struggle with this seemingly complex task. But guess what? It's not as complicated as it seems. In fact, it's just a few clicks away. Imagine the convenience of scheduling meetings or tracking team availability with a shared calendar. It's a game changer for your office dynamics. So let's dive straight into how you can share your Outlook calendar in no time. Firstly,
a shared calendar can help you quickly see when people are available for meetings or other events. Let's look at how to create one. In Outlook, select your calendar. In the Manage Calendars section, choose Add Calendar, then from Address Book. Add users to the shared calendar by entering their name, or selecting their name from the list. Then choose OK. You can now view your calendar as well as the calendars for the people you added. To check your group's availability, choose the Day view. Now we can see when everyone is free.
Your colleague. Sharing your calendar is a great way to coordinate schedules and keep everyone on the same page. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Now go forth and share your calendars. Well, there you have it. You've successfully shared your Outlook calendar with a colleague. Let's quickly recap. You've opened Outlook, navigated to Shared Calendars, chosen from the address book, and selected the person to view your calendar. Remember to set permissions carefully to maintain privacy and control. Sharing your calendar is crucial to streamlining operations, enhancing productivity, and fostering team collaboration. Remember, sharing your Outlook calendar can significantly streamline your office operations. So don't hesitate to use this feature to enhance your productivity. Until next time, happy scheduling.